Hello. Welcome back. Welcome back. Let's see if we are live. Today, we are finally setting up Hermes AI agent live from scratch. I wanted to do this before so I can get some lessons learned and know what I'm doing already, but I decided today, okay, you know what? Let's just do it. Let's just do it live. We can still cut it down later, get the highlights for the people with like zero attention span. Let's quickly check if we are actually live on X. Looks good. Let's check the audio. Agent live from scratch. Yeah, audio is working, but my output is, where's my output? Oh, my headset is not connected. One second, we need to fix this. So now we're using the integrated MacBook, and I think the audio will. Testing. Hello. Yeah, this feels good. Okay, let's check YouTube. Let's check YouTube. View my channel. Yes, chat. Chat works. All right. So there has been a lot of hype and a lot of questions around OpenClaw. What can it do? How easy is it to set it up? How well does it work? Security issues, yada yada yada. And then I was always a little bit skeptical because I've seen plenty of AI agent frameworks over the last 2-3 years. And then I saw Hermes by News Research or New Research, maybe French pronunciation, but the location is USA. And this Hermes agent kind of caught my attention because it said that it's self-learning. So you're giving it basically a task, and then it acts upon that, but then it also self-improves, which is kind of crazy. I mean, for me, it would be ideal if I sleep, if I'm going to the gym, eating, whatever, I have an agent 24/7 doing the things I would be doing, but better and learning and like having actual data and not being biased like a human. So I think this is like really interesting. And yeah, no further ado. This is the official website, hermes-agent.newsresearch.com. You have the whole description here, what it can do. What you can also do is just go into your Claude. We've selected for this task, we've selected Opus 4.6, which is like the best model for complex stuff. I don't think this is too complex right now what we're doing, but anyways. I tried this already, but let's do this again. Let's install Hermes AI agent today. Buck. I've talked to my Claude already about this, so probably it remembers some of the stuff that we were talking about. All right, Dino, let's set the Hermes. It's perfect. No switchers. It'll fit right on your Hetzner VPS. Here's your game plan option one-liner. So this is what we need to do. Okay. Let's go one step back, and I'm always super paranoid when it comes to this like security thing, so I would rather spin up a server. Let's go one step back and setup/install a Hetzner server first. I have used other services like DigitalOcean and some other stuff before, but let's do. I'm doing this for the first time. Help me step by step. Cut all the fluff. Pure value. Practical info, please. I'm not paying too much attention to the chat because I don't think anybody's watching anyways, but I can see on my streaming software that it's telling me 0x. I forgot that. Anyways. Okay, I am live streaming this, so any sensitive data, please don't show it on stream. And tell me to move this screen to off cam monitor before. Okay, this was not working. Okay, I need to talk about this. Yeah, if you go on X, I think there's even on the news section, at least for my feed, Hermes Agent adds 7 pluggable memory options. Hermes Agent adds pluggable memory support, draws OpenClaw users. Yeah, I think there will be a massive migration from the OpenClaw community to this. On April 3rd, which is today, Friday, Nusrat Technium announced Hermes now supports 7 modular memory backends. From local SQL slide setup to like holographic to cloud options. La 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 la. Okay. Yeah, so Technium said Hermes supports Plastic Labs Honcho, Mem0 AI, Open la 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 la. Memory systems. Try them now with Hermes update, then Hermes memory update. We have rehauled our memory system to be much more maintainable and pluggable as anyone would know. So this is cloud storage, self-hosted, cloud, local, SQLite, cloud, local, and cloud dependencies. Unique feature, Dialectic user modeling, peer cards, profile scoping. Ding, 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 ding. Pretty cool stuff, yeah. And this was like 3 hours ago. Interesting. And then like a bunch of people are posting here like how to like customize interfaces and like play around with this. There's a lot of cool stuff that you can do. Okay, spend on 4. Sophie. Okay, let's see if I have an actual Hetzner server set up. Hetzner login. Okay, usually what I like to do is like just do a screenshot and just paste this over. Take a screenshot. What do I do here? I don't have a Hetzner account yet. You need cloud, not dedicated servers. Click cloud on the top nav. I'll go directly to console. Client number, log into your account. No, we need to register first. Okay, I need to do this also off cam. 1 sec. This is also kind of an experience how long it takes to set this up with like zero preparation, zero prior knowledge. Okay, just setting up an account, like all the boring stuff. Obviously, if we do like a proper video for YouTube or something, we need to cut out all of this stuff. But now we're live and doing this authentic. Completing registration, blah blah. Verification code, blah blah. Verify. There has been a project, by the way, that I found that has pretty cool artwork, but I think has nothing to do with Hermes agent. Weather intelligence for prediction markets. The artwork is pretty cool, but they also, I think they stopped posting, and this is some, yeah, some crypto bullshit. But anyways, I'm still not sure what this is here. If this is a legit, it looks kind of copy pasta BS. Yeah. Um. Anyways, yeah, you can see on X. Usually X, I think currently is the best source for it. David Andre is showing cool stuff here also. The setup that saved me hours every day, OpenClaw plus Hermes. So you can also kind of integrate this. Vadim, I'm following Vadim. Also check out his Instagram. 31K. Hermes Super Agent. Yeah, Julian Goldie is also posting a lot, and he is using an AI avatar clone of himself and mass producing content, which is just insane. I also want to touch on that. What is Joey doing? This is again. Okay. All right. What is this? Enter contact information. Blah blah blah. Oh my God, Hetzner is insane. It's all this data. Why can't you just not just have like a Gmail? You know what? We're not doing this. We are not doing this right now. We're not doing this. It's too much. I'm sorry, but I'm already annoyed, Hetzner. I heard so many good things, but this setup is it's ridiculous. Why do you need all this data? Why don't you need just my anyways. Okay, let's follow through. Let's follow through. No, let's not change the plan. Oh my God. What do you want? What's my credit card? 1 second. Mm, 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 mm. Okay. Okay, I think we're good to go. So this is our Hetzner. Let's put this right here. And dun, where's our agent? Where did it go? Where did this go? By the way, let's check if anybody's watching. I don't think anyone is, but zero people watching. Let's go. I mean, it's a Friday morning, Eastern European time right now, so I don't think too many people are um awake right now, but anyways. Bum 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 bum. Okay. This one, I want this one. It's probably a smarter way to arrange your windows as well, but anyways. Bum 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 bum. You can do screenshots inside of Claude, which is pretty cool, I think. So I just gave it this prompt here. Click new project. Verification pending before creating. Dude, that has to be verified. Okay. Oh no! Come on. Okay, this is it now. This is like, come on, Hitzner. Are you kidding me? I'm not doing Hetzner. It wants all my data and even passport. I'm not doing this. Sorry, guys. Claude is saying, fair enough. Hetzner's verification is heavy. Here's an alternative that lets you spin up VPS fast by just email and credit card. See? DigitalOcean, Vulture, Linode, Akamai, Counterbow. Give me the pros and cons for each in a table format. Which one would you recommend for a Hermes agent that we want to build and improve in a modular fashion? Modular fashion. Dun, 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 dun. It's working. It's pretty crazy. I mean, this that AI is capable of searching 40 websites, extracting all the information in like 20 seconds. As a human, you couldn't even like go to these websites in that amount of time. Important update. Contable also requires ID, driver's license, passport. Oh, it's making a full comparison. I thought, okay, this is crazy. Like this, I didn't even see this feature. Okay, let's compare best documentation tutorial, huge community, clean dashboard, easy scaling, $200 free credits for new users. Most data centers, fastest provisioning, oldest more. I think we go with DigitalOcean probably. Let me check if I have a. I think I have a. Oh, look at this. Volsho also gives you credit. Which one is that? Contable. Try 1 month for free. Oh, so they're also doing some marketing, right? What was the comparison here? Most data centers, fastest provisioning, best benchmarks in budget tiers, free snapshots, GPU options. Some reports of account seizures. Hmm, that's crazy. Let's do DigitalOcean anyways. Give me a sec. Okay, so I can sign up with Google, which is very convenient. Checking for bots. Personal usage for now. Droplet. Let's go with what happened to my window here? Let's go with DigitalOcean anyways. Should okay, screenshot, take a screenshot on the window, take this window, share it. Yeah, we're just making a droplet. Get started. Okay. Can I share the DigitalOcean installation, or are there any sensitive infos? Just ignoring typos, like Claude will the creation terminal session first SSH login. Okay, so let's do this here on cam. So we're creating a droplet. Currently our closest location is London, I would say. Let's try to keep both. Run me, well, which setup should I pick for now to make sure we have a fast Hermes environment? Frankfurt or Amsterdam? Let's go Amsterdam. Data center 3. Image region. Okay, we go with Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. It's already selected. Droplet size. Plan basic, shared GPU. Shared CPU. Shared CPU, we got this, okay. You want to get comfortable, avoid resizing later, grab the $24.2 CPU, 4 GB RAM. Hermes is its memory system and skills will breathe easier with 4 GB RAM, okay. This is already selected, 4 gigabytes of RAM. Memory, 4 GB transfer. CPU. NVMe SSD has substantial improvements to read and write speeds compared. Okay, maybe we need to pause this. It's super early and I didn't have breakfast yet, so I'm gonna go for breakfast, I think. Bum 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 bum. Premium AMD has substantial improvements to read and write. So if we use regular SSD, what's the difference here? Like $8 per month? Authentication I should do later. Backups. I mean, you could probably go for a cheaper option just to like spin it up. This like 12. I think this would probably also do it, like this $12 per month option. And again, you can also do this locally. You don't have to set this up. Emo this space. Backups, enable. Backups. Each backup is kept for 7 days. Weekly backups. Each backup is kept. Okay, so password, SSH key, I need to do off stream. Okay. Let's ask here again, what's the difference between SSH key or password of pros and cons for production later on. So I think if we have an SSH key, we can also work locally. Server only lets you in if your computer has the matching private key. No password ever sent over the network. Password you type in like any other login for you. Is on the right answer. Okay, we need SSH. Okay. Possible to brute force. Whoop. Go off. Okay. From now on, if there is anything off cam coming up, warn me first. Then I can switch to off screen and only then start a new answer with the sensitive data. By the way, I also made a kind of like fun image here on the topic of OpenClaw versus Hermes, and I also posted on my Instagram, bang we bang. Here I posted this video here. Yeah, and a bunch of other stuff.